Hello everybody. Outcome-based education is adopted by various accreditation agencies in the world. In India, the National Board of Accreditation has adopted engineering, management, and pharmacy programs at undergraduate and postgraduate levels of accreditation. OBE has a properly designed structure and strategies to attain the desired outcome. To attain the specified outcome of any program, various levels are identified and well defined. These levels are recognized as steps to achieve the desired excellence. In this session, we propose to understand the stages and levels of outcomes briefly. Outcomes are divided into many stages. To obtain the outcome, various stages are available. Let us see one by one. The first uppermost level on the outcome is the program educational objective, shortly termed as PEO. This PEO can be achieved with the help of the next level of outcome is called program outcome and program specific outcome. Program outcome is shortened as a PO and the program specific outcome is abbreviated as PSO. The lowermost and the executable level of outcomes is course outcome. Shortly call it as CO. By using this C course outcome, we can accomplish the program outcome and the program specific outcome. In OBE, while developing the curriculum, teaching learning process, and the evaluation, the stages are starting from the upper to lower level. But when to attain the desired outcome, the measurement is taken from the lower level to upper level. Generally, a vision of a program or department has a mission to reach the vision by using the PEO, PO, PSO, and CO. In general, PEO must follow the mission of the department offering by the program. Program educational objective is concentrated on the students can able to do something after 4 years of graduation. Usually, the major content of PEOs are preparation, core competency, professionalism, proficiency, and ethics. Program outcome is the statement that describes what the knowledge, skills, and attitudes should be able to demonstrate at the time of graduation from a program. The National Board of Accreditation, NBA, has adopted the Washington Accord standard program outcomes for the undergraduate engineering programs. Specifically, Tier 1 institutions are academically independent. In this Tier 1 institutions, the 12 POs are identified and adopted. It addresses both disciplinary and professional competencies. In these POs, from PO1 to PO5 are domain dependent, and from PO6 to PO12 are domain independent. In domain dependent outcomes, 3 POs are dealing with the complex engineering problems and 2 POs are mentioned for the complex engineering activity. And the PSO. The PO is derived from the or is adopted from the Washington Accord standard by the NBA, but the PSO is designed by the institution. it is specific to the particular program. So PSOs are outcomes that are specified to the program, and that should be relevant or the concentrate on the core of the course. And PSO of an engineering program can only be 2 to 3 in numbers as per NBA. So NBA is prescribed only 2 PSOs or maximum 4 PSOs they are prescribed. Depends upon the program in nature. The program specific outcomes represents what the standard should be able to do at the time of graduation from the specific program. So the PSOs should also capture the features of the program that differentiate it from the another to one to another. So this PSO is exactly varied from the institution to institution. It's academically independent institutions, they can concentrate on this PSO levels. The curriculum of program is derived from the PO and the PSOs. PSO should be captured in all courses of the program. So PSO statements should not use the words like such as, etc. and vary. And let us see that the program specific outcome structures. The PSO we are going to design or derive based on the vision, mission, and the PUO of the program, and then depends upon the institution's vision that this PSO is going to design. But we need a structure how to build the PSOs. As we said earlier, this PSO is vary from one institution to another institution, one program to another program, because it is a program specific outcome. The structure of the program specific outcome is the PSO statement should start with one or more action verbs. Some examples of action words like formulate, specify, conceive, design, plan, architect, build, implement, test, operate, select, analysis, determine, estimate, calculate. So such type of action verbs we can use at the time of developing program specific outcome. Action verbs should be followed by clearly identified technical objectives related only to the program of concern, and if required, but the conditions under which the action have to be performed. These are the structure for the program outcome. The program specific outcome statement should not be like PSO statement should not be PSO reword in the context of the discipline of the program. Say for example, understand modern management and construction techniques to complete the project within the stipulated period and functions. When you see this PSO is very similar or replica of the program specific outcome PO11, program outcome PO11. So similarly, the next example, apply the knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering, fundamentals of the solutions of the problems of a computer science and engineering. If any PSO is written like this is very similar to the program outcome 1. So you must avoid when you write the any PSO that should not relevant or correlation between the program outcome and the program specific outcome. The PSO statement should not be written to represent the electives, because the elective is many students they'll take the different kinds of electives. But the core subject is always concentrated and given to the entire student group. So the core subject should be related to the PSO statements. So when you design that statement of PSO, that is a program specific outcome, be clear, these are the statements you must be conscious. The last statement, that is executable level of an outcome is nothing but a course outcome. Because with the help of the course outcome only, we are going to attain the most upper level of program educational objective and program outcomes. So this course outcomes are what the students are required to demonstrate at the end of the course. The CO should be observable and measurable. That should be in the observable form and measurable form. A course outcome addresses a subset of PO and PSOs. All COs are properly designed with the help of the Bloom's taxonomy and the knowledge level. These are the very important points. In conclusion, that's outcome-based education. Outcomes are developed from the uppermost to lowermost, and the attainment measurement is always taking place from the lower to upper level. The uppermost level is nothing but it is a programmable educational objective, and then next level is program outcome and program specific outcome, and the last level is course outcome. So by using the course outcome, we can attain the program specific outcome and program outcome. By using the program outcome and the program specific outcome, we can reach the level of program educational objective. I hope we can understand that levels of outcomes in the OBE, what we followed in the engineering program, management program, and any pharmacy programs, which is controlled by the National Board of Accreditation. Thank you. Thank you very much.